Hello friends, this is Manisha Padole. This is my first video ever. Today I am going to tell you about how to run the program in Visual Studio, and directly we have to run it in the browser window. Many of the people doesn't know about how to run the program in the browser using Visual Studio Code. Right now I am telling about how to run the program using Visual Studio Code. First start the Visual Studio Code, then click on this extension box. Now go to search, type there open in browser. Yeah, it will show so many options. You can choose any one of these. I'm choosing this first one, TechER. Now just click on install. So it has been installed now reload the page. Yeah, right. So we have installed with that. Now just I'm running this program. Just type the small HTML code over here. Yeah, right. I'm done with that. So now just save this. Right click. Open in other browsers or whatever browsers you will choose. It will show the answer. Fine with that. Fine guys. Thank you.